Hello, everyone. In today's lesson, we will be continuing with our book. The book I'll be reading from is titled Lifa and was written by T.T. Gininza and F.T. Mahlalela. Now, let me say that in Siswati. Namuhla sitobe sifunza incwadi. Sihloko sale ncwadi Lifa. Babhali bencwadi ngu-T.T. Gininza na F.T. Mahlalela. If you happen to have this book, use it to read along with me. If you don't have this book, it's okay. You can read along using my book. We will be reading pages 38, 39, 40, and 41. Let's get started. On pages 38 and 39, we will be focusing on the letter H. Ha, he, ho, hu. Ha, he, ho, hu. Hala, hila. Hola, helu. Holela, holoholo. Malume uholela fikile. Gugu ufuna hala. Kotini uhile holoholo. Lidada lihalela emabele. Moving on to page 39. Huma, hona. Lihala, lihubo. Lifulaha, luhala. Kekela ubuka lifulaha. Bekahuma ebaleni itolo. Libi lelihubo laholoholo. Fikile ufuna emahala. Bobabe bebahona nabalele. Asiphindze sifunze. Kekela ubuka lifulaha. Bekahuma ebaleni itolo. Libi lelihubo laholoholo. Fikile ufuna emahala. Bobabe bebahona nabalele. Moving on to page 40. Holoholo. Holoholo uholela kalomahoba. Kalomahoba kunemafulaha akotini. Kude emahala lababa gabi. Bekahona holoholo nakalele emini. Kani lomahoba bekahuba lihubo. Hala lomahala. And now, two groups, Group A and Group B. Group A will be saying, Halela lihala lomahala. Halela likululu lomahala. Halela likamo lomahala. And Group B will say, Lihala lelibabago, likululu lelilumako, likamo lelikamako. And then together we say, Ha, 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 hala lomahala. And finally, page 41. On page 41, we will be focusing on the letter J. Ja, je, ji, jo, ju. Ja, je, ji, jo, ju. Jali, jele, lijele, lijeke, jikijela. Jali ujuba ejele. Make ubeka lijeke, lijele lona lijahana, babe natshali babuke ejele, malume ujikijela tshali. Asiphindze sifunze, tshali ujuba ejele, make ubeka lijeke, lijele lona lijahana, babe natshali babuke ejele, malume ujikijela tshali. And that is all for today. Join our language learning community by subscribing to our channel. That way, you won't miss out on any future language lessons.